Today we'll talk about how can you find news on your Whoscall app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this, and all you have to do now, you just go down here, you click here on news here down, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list, it's going to show for you like this. Then here you will find all news or notifications you have in this list. Like you see here, I have no notifications yet, but if you have it, you will find it here in this list on your Whoscall app. So that's all you have to do to find this list. Just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.